Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add new pages to your main navigation in Squarespace 7. If you've ever wanted to organize your website better, showcase new content, or refresh your menu with a brand new page, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know how to seamlessly add and customize new pages, making your website look clean, modern, and easy for visitors to explore. No confusion, no guessing, let's get started step by step. First, once you're logged into your Squarespace site, look over to the left side of your dashboard. You'll see a sidebar with several options. Let's click on Website. This little section houses all the essentials for your site's structure. Now within Website, you'll see an option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click that. This brings you directly into the heart of your site navigation, the place where your main menu lives and breathes. Now inside the Pages tab, you'll spot your main navigation area right up front. This is where your home page, about section, blog, and other top-level pages are grouped, the ones your visitors see first when they interact with your site. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. This is where we'll be adding our new page. Next, look for the small plus sign, usually labeled as plus, right next to the main navigation list. This is your gateway to new pages. Yes, it can seem almost too simple, but clicking this button opens up a whole new world of possibilities for your website. When you click that plus button, you'll see several options for new pages. Squarespace organizes these into categories. You can start with a plain blank page for total creative freedom, or under collections, you'll find options like blog, portfolio, store, or event pages, which come pre-equipped for those specific types of content. There's also a More section with templates for things like calendars or album pages. It's a bit like choosing ingredients for a recipe. You can go totally custom, or pick something already set up for a purpose. For this example, let's say you want to add a new contact page. Instead of starting from zero, browse the templates Squarespace presents after you click the plus. Pick one that closely suits your needs, maybe a template that already has a form and the right layout you want for your contact info. Don't worry if you're unsure which template to pick. You can always change or further customize it later. After you select your template, Squarespace immediately adds it to your main navigation. The page will appear at the end of your list, but you can easily drag it to move it wherever you want it to show up on your menu. If you started with a blank page, this is your blank canvas. Add your title, drop in text or images, and build content just the way you like. If you chose a template, take a look at what Squarespace has automatically included. Often, it's optimized for common needs like contact forms or galleries, so you'll only need a few tweaks. This whole process is designed to be quick and intuitive, but if you need to pause and play around with your new page, that's totally fine. Squarespace makes it easy to preview changes before publishing, so take a few moments to make sure everything looks just how you want. And that's it, you've added a page to your main navigation in Squarespace 7. It's visible up top, ready for visitors, and completely customizable. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want me to cover more Squarespace tricks, drop a comment below. I always love hearing your thoughts and helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides like this. Thanks for watching and happy site building.